Welcome to the Architecture and Environmental Design program at Los Angeles Trade Technical College, one of the 9 colleges of the Los Angeles Community College District. The program is part of the Construction, Manufacturing, and Utilities Department, and it's unlike anything else in the city. Designing justice, skills, stories, and a city transformed. What if your neighborhood could be a classroom, a job site, a space for learning, building, and reimagining? We believe design can transform lives. Our program trains students to reimagine their communities using architecture, cutting-edge digital tools, and hands-on building. You don't need any prior experience or prerequisites. We meet you where you are and build from there. We teach drafting, CAD, GIS, BIM, and digital twin technology. But we go far beyond software. Every lesson is tailored to your pace and your goals. Projects are real. They connect to the most urgent challenges of our time: climate, housing, and social justice. Along the way, students earn paid internships and industry-recognized credentials. We're proud to have achieved 100% university transfer and 100% job placement in architecture, engineering, and construction. Our faculty includes award-winning professors like Arthur Modine, M. Arch from Southern California Institute of Architecture, Thesis Award winner and founder of Aura, Jack Rendler, Masters of Architecture from Harvard Graduate School of Design and author of Terrestrial Architecture and NASA Mars City Design winner, and a professor with degrees from USC and Columbia University, City of New York, honored as AIA Educator of the Year and recipient of the California Governor's Award. Our design process is rooted in the wisdom of nature. We use biomimicry, drawing inspiration from desert plants, wind, and ecosystems to design smarter buildings. Earth systems thinking helps our students build in harmony with water, soil, and climate for a more resilient future. This program changes lives. We've supported first-gen college students, foster youth, and adults starting over. Our students have designed tiny homes, ADUs, multi-unit housing, memorials, green corridors, and community parks. They've partnered with leaders like USGBCCA, Metro, Gensler, AECOM, HNTB, Studio MLA, Caltrans, USC, UCLA, AIA, and many more. The results are real: safer streets, smarter spaces, and stronger communities across Los Angeles. This is more than a class. It's a movement where students, faculty, and collaborators design justice together. No prerequisites, paid internships, real impact. If you're a student, an educator, or a community collaborator, we invite you to join us. Let's build a city where everyone belongs, and everyone has a hand in shaping it.